Today, on World Humanitarian Day 2023, we gather here to celebrate the powerful truth, it takes a village. My name is Bulou Elenoa, and I stand before you as a proud volunteer of Fiji Red Cross Society, having dedicated the last 8 years of my life to a cause that transcends boundaries and speaks to the very core of our humanity. Humanitarianism, to me, embodies the essence of devotion, a devotion to a well-being, health, and happiness to those who share this planet with us. It is a call to action, a call that I have heeded with unwavering commitment. I believe that as individuals, we are intrinsically connected to one another, and it is through collective effort that we can truly make a difference in the lives of those in need. My journey as a volunteer with the Fiji Red Cross Society has been one filled with profound experiences and life-changing moments. We often find ourselves in the midst of chaos, reaching out to our community members during or after a disaster strikes. The strength of our response during these critical times speaks volumes about the power of unity and empathy. It is during these moments that I have witnessed the true essence of it takes a village. We come together as volunteers, as neighbors, as citizens of a shared world to support a vulnerable among us. The faces of the community members, even as they grapple with the aftermath of a catastrophe, reveal the resilience that inspires and humbles me. Their smiles, even amidst the adversity, remind me that every effort, no matter how small, contributes to their healing and recovery. Our work is not solely about delivering aid. It is about delivering hope, compassion, and the unwavering promise that they are not alone in their struggles. As we extend a helping hand, we build bridges and solidarity that span cultures, languages, and borders. The power of human connection is our greatest asset, and it is what enables us to create a village that embraces every member with open arms. The theme of this year's Humanitarian Day, It Takes a Village, resonates deeply with my journey. It embodies the very essence of what drives me to be a volunteer. It is the understanding that we are all interconnected, that the well-being of one directly impacts the well-being of all. It is the realization that our actions, no matter how small, ripple through this interconnected tapestry of lives and leave a lasting impact. In closing, I want to express my profound gratitude to each and every one of you who has taken a step towards building a better world, a world that values compassion, empathy, and the unity of the shared humanity. Together we are that village, a village that supports, uplifts, and transforms lives. Let us continue to stand united as we work tirelessly to bring health, happiness, and hope to those in need. Thank you, and may our collective efforts shine as a beacon of light, guiding us towards a future filled with compassion and understanding. Vinaka.
Thank you very much.